Hi there, I'm Rugamba. You can also call me Jemmy. Of course, you might be scrolling down, or maybe you might have seen a link somewhere and here see a young man. I'm a proud African and I'm very happy to share more about the languages in East Africa. There, I'm going to show you the purpose of this video: Burundi, Kirundi language, and Rwanda, Kinyarwanda. Anyway, you might have right away planned for your next trip to Africa, might be East Africa, and I can tell you, if you can speak one of those two languages, one of those two languages in Africa, you can visit the both countries. Well, if you are interested to join my class, just click it. Subscribe to my class. It doesn't bite. It doesn't bite at all. Yeah. Okay, let's get into our class today. Well, let's learn the differences between Burundi, Kirundi, and Rwanda, Kinyarwanda. The meanings are going to be provided in three languages: English, Chinese, and Swahili. Let's see how to say good morning in Burundi. In Burundi, good morning is bwakeye, bwakeye, bwakeye. Where in Rwanda, they say mwaramutse, mwaramutse, mwaramutse. Which in Chinese is zao an, zao an, zao an. In Swahili is habari za asubuhi, habari za asubuhi, habari za asubuhi. The next word to learn is how to say how are you. In Burundi, they say amahoro, amahoro. In Rwanda, they say muraho, muraho, muraho. In Chinese, they say ni hao ma, ni hao ma, ni hao ma. In Swahili, they say habari yako, habari yako, habari yako. How to say goodbye to someone. In Burundi, they use nagasaga, nagasaga, nagasaga. In Rwanda, they use murabeho, murabeho, murabeho. In Chinese is zaijian, zaijian, zaijian. In Swahili is kwaheri, kwaheri, kwaheri. Well, you might be interested to learn more about the Kirundi or Kinyarwanda or Swahili. There's pretty close languages that you can just try to learn, or maybe a small part, and slow by slow you can improve too. So as I told you before, if you can't speak Kirundi, you can also communicate with Rwandese, someone from Rwanda. I can assure you, whenever you follow all the videos, instructions, you can get it better. Your Kirundi and Kinyarwanda will get better. As I'm providing Swahili, you are if you're from Tanzania, you can get a chance to learn through these videos. And if you want to learn Swahili too, you can follow me in whenever I'm leading the Swahili languages too. You're welcome.